This video will guide you through the process of disconnecting Stripe from your GoHighLevel agency account. As of December 2025, this is a straightforward process done primarily within your GHL dashboard. The integration between Stripe and GoHighLevel allows you to process payments directly within the GHL ecosystem for funnels, memberships, and invoices. It relies on Stripe's API keys for secure connectivity. Disconnecting essentially means revoking GHL's access to your Stripe account. GHL emphasizes user autonomy in managing integrations. To disconnect Stripe, first log into your GoHighLevel agency account. Next, navigate to Settings, then Integrations in your account dashboard. Find the Stripe integration and click the Disconnect button to remove it from GoHighLevel. For complete removal, also revoke GoHighLevel's access within your Stripe dashboard in the API section. Agencies often disconnect Stripe to switch to payment processors like PayPal that offer potentially lower fees. Stripe charges 2.9% plus $0.30 per transaction, while PayPal may have competitive rates depending on the account type and volume. Some agencies need to comply with specific regulations like HIPAA for healthcare data. They may disconnect Stripe and choose alternatives that better meet their compliance requirements for handling sensitive payment information. Agencies may disconnect Stripe to test other payment integrations, such as Braintree or Square. This allows them to evaluate different features, user interfaces, or integration capabilities before committing to a long-term solution. Before disconnecting Stripe from your GoHighLevel agency account, prioritize security by backing up all your data. Disconnecting the integration could impact ongoing subscriptions and invoices managed through GHL. Make sure to preserve records of all relevant payment information to prevent any service disruptions. Remember that once disconnected, this data will not automatically sync back when you reconnect. When troubleshooting common issues after disconnecting Stripe from your GoHighLevel agency account, you may encounter connectivity problems during or after the process. If connectivity issues persist, consult GoHighLevel's official troubleshooting guide for detailed solutions. Stripe's API changes can sometimes cause temporary disruptions, so be aware of these potential issues. Take advantage of AI-driven notifications in GoHighLevel that can alert you to integration status changes, helping reduce manual errors. Finally, always double-check that your API keys have been properly removed from GoHighLevel's integration settings. Marketing Pro Inc., a digital marketing agency, disconnected Stripe from their GoHighLevel account in 2024 due to frequent chargeback disputes. They switched to Square for better dispute resolution and reported a 20% reduction in processing fees. The agency also noted smoother reconnections through the GHL dashboard when they tested other options later. A healthcare agency disconnected Stripe from GoHighLevel to comply with HIPAA regulations, which require strict data protection for patient information. The process took under 5 minutes, but they emphasized the importance of conducting pre-disconnection audits to ensure no data loss or compliance issues. This highlights how regulatory requirements can drive payment gateway changes. Startup XYZ, scaling to 500 clients in 2025, temporarily disconnected Stripe from GoHighLevel to test Braintree integration. They reconnected without data loss, demonstrating the reliability of GoHighLevel's integration system for testing different payment processors. This case shows how agencies can safely experiment with alternatives. Experts emphasize vigilance in disconnections to avoid data silos. Flexible payment gateways are increasingly important. GHL is expected to introduce automated disconnection alerts. The trend is toward modular, API-driven tools. Successful disconnections streamline workflows and can increase agency productivity by 15%.